You know, there are a lot of, I want to go to the other, people who are right here as well, because, these are the stars, these are the celebrities who've added, they've added to this. But I want to also go across, if you look at this lady here, दादी आप कब से हैं यहाँ पे?
मैं जब से धरना लगा तब से
है। दादी आपके जो यहाँ पर हस्बैंड थे उनकी भी डेथ हो गई थी?
हाँ जी, मेरे बेटे की भी डेथ हो गई है ते मेरे पति की डेथ 14 मेरे बेटे की डेथ हुई है जो पंजाब ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੰਘਰਸ਼ शुरू ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀ ਤੇ कोरोना ਦੀ ਆੜ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਤੇ मतलब कत्ल ही समझ लो सरकार ने ते रिपोर्टा नेगेटिव सी पर उस तो ही मेरे बेटे की रूह।
तो अभी आप ट्रैक्टर चलाती हैं?
हाँ जी, मैं यहाँ पे भी चलाती हूँ, मैं अपने खेतों में भी चलाती हूँ ते मैं उदों तो यही है साड़ी यकीन सी अज साड़ी जित हुई है पर अज सानू बहुत खुशी है सब पूरे वर्ल्ड नूं भारत नूं मुबारकां ने ते बाकी जेडे साडे शहीद ने जेडे किसान ने संघर्षी शहीद होए ने
उन्हां आप यहीं पे रहेंगी जब तक वापस नहीं लिए जाते?
हाँ बेटा, मैं यहीं पे रहूंगी क्यों जब तक लिखती रूप नहीं सानू मिलते सानू पेपर नहीं मिलते उदों तक साडा संघर्ष जारी है जब तक धरना जारी है।
This is the kind of people that you're getting here, but I want to cut across right now on what exactly happened this morning on the occasion of Gurpurab. The Prime Minister made a massive announcement. He took back all the 3 laws.
आज मैं आपको पूरे देश को ये बताने आया हूं कि हमने 3 कृषि कानूनों को वापस लेने का, रिपील करने का निर्णय लिया है। अपने सभी आंदोलनरत किसान साथियों से आग्रह कर रहा हूं, आज गुरु पर्व का पवित्र दिन है। अब आप अपने अपने घर लौटे, अपने खेत में लौटे, अपने परिवार के बीच लौटे। आइए एक नई शुरुआत करते हैं। हम पूरी विनम्रता से, खुले मन से उन्हें समझाते रहे। कानून के जिन प्रावधानों पर उन्हें ऐतराज था, सरकार उन्हें बदलने के लिए भी तैयार हो गई। 2 साल तक हमने इन कानूनों को सस्पेंड करने का भी प्रस्ताव दिया। हमारी तपस्या में ही कोई कमी रही होगी, जिसके कारण दिए के प्रकाश जैसा सत्य कुछ किसान भाइयों को हम समझा नहीं पाए। आज गुरु नानक देव जी का पवित्र प्रकाश पर्व है। ये समय किसी को भी दोष देने का नहीं है। हमारी सरकार किसानों के हित में काम करती रही है और आगे भी करती रहेगी। आप सभी के आशीर्वाद से मैंने मेहनत में पहले भी कोई कमी नहीं की थी। आज मैं आपको विश्वास दिलाता हूं कि अब और ज्यादा मेहनत करूंगा ताकि आपके सपने साकार हो सके, देश के सपने साकार हो सके।
All right, so these are the scenes right now at the Singhu border. They've brought out their tractors. Like I said, celebrations but tepid because there is a resolve now to continue the protest till the time it's properly repealed in Parliament, as well as a committee is formed on the issue of MSP. So they are not going anywhere. But I want to cut across right now to the Ghazipur border where my colleague Aishwarya joins us live. Aishwarya, what is the sense that you're gathering from the Ghazipur border? Because Ghazipur border, is with UP. I'm here with Punjab, Haryana, where Delhi borders Punjab, Haryana. You are on the other side where Delhi borders UP. What are the farmers that side saying?
Well, Preeti, first of all, let me start by showing you exactly what's happening at the Ghazipur border. We have a portrait of Guru Nanak, and people have been coming and lighting all these candles here. They say today is a victorious day for them. They have had a victory. This is how they see what the Prime Minister said in the morning. All these people coming, and a lot of candles were being lit here. They are all saying that what the Prime Minister has done on this auspicious days clearly validate what they have been saying for over a year. However, let me also tell you, the farmers are saying that they will stay put. They are not in a hurry, and we'll not see them moving away in a day or two, or maybe in a week's time, Preeti. What they really want is for the government to say it on the floor of the parliament. That's what even leaders have been talking about. They want the government to repeal the laws in the parliament. The session begins on the 29th. Till the time that does not happen, the farmer leaders across the board are saying they will not take a call. And as far as call taking is concerned, from what we are gathering, there will be a spate of meetings which will be held today, tomorrow, and maybe in the next couple of days. Only after that will the leaders then take a final call. But definitely at Ghazipur, all the leaders here very happy and lighting candles right in front of the portrait of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Preeti.
All right, so, lighting candles at the portrait of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. I just want to show you on where we are. So this is at the Singhu border. Everybody has gathered. There's a sense of revelry. We've seen a lot of hugs that have taken place, a lot of smiles. There's a skip in everyone's step. But also, Aishwarya, can you show us around a little at the Ghazipur border? What's the scene like? Winter setting in. They've been through a very, very tough winter last year. But this one seems to be sweet, even though, yes, it's getting cold.
Well, Preeti, I am a little bit away from where all the farmers are staying, but definitely, what we can show you is you'll be able to see the tents which have been covered fully. And this is being done because the winter is setting in. And let me tell you, last year too, all the farmers had celebrated the Kurup with this day sitting on the roads protesting. So this year, definitely, the festival holds is very special for them, because today is the day. Prime Minister chose today. And what we are seeing now, a portrait of Guru Nanak Dev Ji being put here. Everyone is coming and lighting a candle. So definitely there is a festive mood, and all the arrangements have been made for winter. But the leaders here and the farmers here are saying they are not moving away. They are still awaiting for the leaders to take a final call. Once the final call is taken, only then will we maybe see these farmers moving away to their homes, going away to their homes. Preeti.
All right, Aishwarya. Well, the chants of Bole So Nihal Sat Sri Akal, which are echoing at the Singhu border. We're going to continue to report from here.